On the web at WECL.com.
Killer song, Gary Allen, and Today on WECL.
Today.
Love it.
If you'd like to watch the magic of the studio, ladies and gentlemen, get an up-close and frequent look at Rick Rush, all you have to do
I just have to keep putting it on me to make sure I don't have anything in my nose.
Log on to WECL.com. Keyword is TV. And,
a little bit.
And you'll be and you'll be able to watch it on brought to you by Burger King.
That's right.
Where you can have it your way. Have it your way. The Rick Rush way on WECL Studio TV. It's really
on
a lot
Gary
of fun.
right now because he's getting ready to do the news.
Oh, I should shut up then.
But it'll be back on me soon.
Yes.
Yes, as soon as I finish the news, it'll be back on Rick.
Too late.
Oh, there it goes. Good. Keep it over there.
7:03.
Checking the news headlines, House Speaker Bobby Harrell says embattled Governor Sanford should not face impeachment because he left the state in June. He says lawmakers should rely on an ethics commission investigation to determine if removal is needed. A federal judge has rejected an environmental group's request to stop a local port expansion project. The decision means work will continue on a shipping terminal the State Ports Authority is building on the former Navy base in North Charleston. Army officials expect soldier suicides this year to be higher than last year. As of Monday, there were 140 suicides by active duty soldiers. Marine Corps suicides also are higher again this year. Legislation to head off a cut in Medicare physician fees scheduled for January 1st could mean higher premiums for seniors over the next decade. That's according to the Congressional Budget Office. A House vote on that bill is scheduled for tomorrow. The state health agency is warning coastal residents, don't eat any of that leftover barbecue at the fundraiser you had over the weekend in Conway. Don't eat it. At least 7 people who ate meals that were prepared at a local hunting club and sold at the Cedar Grove Baptist Church had to be hospitalized.
But other than that, it was a good fundraiser.
Yeah, they had a good time.
Oh, they raised some money, I'm sure.
They
But
put 7 people in the hospital. It must have been a party.
Ford, Subaru, and Volkswagen are leading the pack of the safest 2010 model cars. That's according to tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Fewer models made the list this year because of tougher safety requirements. In sports, college basketball, great game last night at McAllister Fieldhouse. CSU did squeak by the Bulldogs of the Citadel 61-60. College of Charleston had its first win of the season. Andrew Goodluck scored 18 points to help the Cougars beat Winthrop 69-57 last night. Clemson hit 10 three-pointers in a 79-39 win, beat them by 40 points. Liberty.
Well, keep in mind, last year, Liberty was ahead by 1 point with a couple of minutes left in the game. So they had to go back up there and prove something this year, I think.
Well, they didn't shut down at all. And in hockey, the Stingrays travel to Charlotte tonight. They'll be taking on the Checkers.
The Blue Cross and